Have you ever wondered what it takes to construct this building? Wood, cranes, workers, but you forgot a key ingredient: documents. Documents in PDF and in paper. Contracts, specifications, and procedures, all of which have to be manually enforced by humans. In fact, inefficient document-based processes are costing the construction industry over £200 billion every year. At Morta, we are codifying the rules, workflows, and eventually all transactions in construction projects. Let me show you how. Kate and her team are managing the design of a building. Kate begins by outlining the rules of this process in a document. Companies then submit their designs to Kate's team, and Kate's team spends 70% of their time manually checking whether the designers followed her rules. Being human, they make mistakes, and mistakes mean delays or even entire parts of the building having to be rebuilt. Our first product allows Kate to codify her rules in a version that computers can actually understand. Companies then submit their designs through Morta, and we automatically check whether the designers followed Kate's rules. No more documents, no more mistakes, and no more inefficiency. And that is why 5 of the largest engineering firms have already agreed to pilot with us. But what is even more exciting is that we will now have access to reliable, structured data about what is being built. This means that we will be the only people who can automate many other processes for these same construction firms, making us the platform to manage projects in this $11 trillion industry. In the future, Kate will use Morta to cost and plan her project. She will use Morta to source and pay for every supplier. And she will even use Morta to send information and work orders to every robot on site, all with the click of a button. We are fundamentally changing the way project teams will deliver every road, hospital, and home in the future. And the industry is ready. Governments are mandating digitization in projects, and the industry standards that make this possible came out only 2 months ago. And we are the perfect team to make this a reality. While doing his master's in computer science at Imperial, my co-founder Matt won an award for his thesis. And I spent the last 5 years leading digitization efforts in the largest contractor in the Middle East. I was constantly being pitched artificial intelligence and robotics as the solutions to the industry's problems. However, as long as the rules of construction are trapped in documents, mismanagement, delays, and waste will continue to plague projects. At Morta, we are codifying rules of construction to change that. Thank you.